My dear YouTube family, I wish you all a very happy Ramadan. I hope that on this Ramadan your prayers get answered soon and all of your wishes come true. May this Ramadan be a month of blessings, a month full of forgiveness and guidance for all of us and our families. Ameen. Baklava is very special occasion dessert that we eat during the holidays after breaking our fast for Ramadan or during big events with family. What makes this baklava recipe unique from other types of baklava is the aromatic simple syrup flavored with cardamom.
Hello everyone, I wish you all a very happy Ramadan. May all your prayers be answered. In this video, I am so excited to show you one of my favorite recipes. So today we're making baklava.
For the baklava garnishing, I love to use pistachios because of the gorgeous green color. It adds a beautiful touch to our presentation. In a large food processor, combine the walnuts and pistachios until well mixed. I use 2 cups butter or ghee. Open the phyllo, unroll them on a flat tray. Be sure to have a clean damp cloth with you to cover the phyllo. Lay one phyllo sheet one at a time into the baking tray, brushing each sheet with melted butter in between layers. Spread the walnut mixture onto the phyllo dough in an even layer and keep repeating the steps. Make sure the top layer of the stack of phyllo sheets is not ripped for the best presentation. It gets torn easily, so just make sure about that. Brush the top layer with butter, slice pastry into strips, and slice diagonally in both directions to create diamonds. You want to always cut the baklava before you bake it. Use a sharp knife or a pizza cutter. Be sure to cut all the way through to the bottom of the pan. This is allowing the butter to sip through all the layers. It is very important to have a super sharp knife for this process. Bake uncovered until golden brown all the way into the cut lines, about 25 to 30 minutes, rotating the baklava halfway through baking. To make the simple syrup, combine the water, sugar, and lemon juice in a small saucepan over medium-high heat. Bring mixture to a boil, then reduce heat to simmer, stirring occasionally until the sugar is dissolved and the mixture is thickened but still clear colored, about 5 to 7 minutes. Then remove from the heat and set aside to cool. Remove the tray from the oven, pour the cooled sugar or honey syrup evenly over the baklava. Allow it to cool at room temperature for several hours before serving. Baklava is a rich, sweet dessert pastry made of layers of filet dough filled with chopped nuts and held together with pure honey and sugar syrup.
Oh my God, you gotta try this recipe. The house is full of beautiful aroma. It's amazing. So yeah, this is my first recipe of month of Ramadan. I hope you guys enjoy it. Try this recipe. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys like it. For more Ramadan recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also follow me on my Instagram at Sahar's Kitchen 1. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more recipes. Happy fasting and have a blessed month of Ramadan.